Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the punch model and head unit variant, so you pick the correct harness and GPS antenna. Next, disable the battery negative to avoid shorts, then locate the head unit behind the dash. Remove trim carefully. Once done, identify the 12V ignition, ground, and ACC wires using a test light and the harness diagram. Make sure to use a fuse tap on the ACC circuit rather than cutting factory wires, because that preserves wiring integrity and makes future removal safe. Once the head unit is accessible, route the GPS antenna toward the windshield, place it where it sees the sky, and avoid metal obstructions for best satellite lock. Then attach the coax connector firmly to the GPS module. Add a ferrite bead if you notice radio interference during testing. Next, mate the aftermarket harness to the OEM connector and tie the ACC and ground connections securely. Make sure all plugs click home, and use zip ties to prevent chafing during vibration and driving. Reconnect the battery and power the head unit, then enable GPS in the unit settings and run an initial satellite acquisition. You'll want to wait until the receiver reports multiple satellites and a stable fix. If it won't lock, move the antenna or check for loose coax. After a successful lock, drive a short route to confirm accuracy and map stability. If problems persist, make sure power and ground are solid, the antenna has a clear sky view, and the head unit firmware is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.